Pleasure morning, learners. Let's discuss today about the realistic fiction of Count Leo Tolstoy, the two deer of prescribed syllabus of second year PU. See, today we shall think about the author. His name was Count Leo Tolstoy. His birthplace is Yasnaya Polnaya, and his date of birth is 9th September of 1928. He is a great prolific writer and he is only concerned with respect to realism. If you're going to consider his concepts, he concentrate only with respect to the time management and is only concerned with respect to the what is the reality, and he's only write all the concept in respect to the concept called realism. His War and Peace and Anna Karenina are the famous novelists that still persisting has its own weight and values that may start with years, still now it is persisting. In the prescribed syllabus, what we call deal with two deer, it is once again in the orientation now. Puns as a figure of speech, my dear young learners. His concepts is also revolves with respect to ironical manner that concerned with respect to the what is the problem of the kinglet of Monaco. These are the concept we are going to think like this, but his concept is only orientation with respect to the ordinary persons to be extraordinary way he is going to deal with this concept as such. See, this is a small short story written in the way of the thematic representation with respect to governance and the morality and what is the justice delayed and just that gain to the denied. These are all the concept it revolves with respect to the concept of this short story, Too Dear to be an Expensive. Here the story follows like this. There is the toy kingdom of Monaco. There exist only 7,000 inhabitants. Are the population density concerned about 7,000? And if you're going to consider geographic density, that is about not even, if you're going to bifurcate, that may not comes to be 1 acre to each inhabitants like that. That is controlled by 60 men army. Therefore, we recognize to be a toy kingdom. You know that the kingdom has been ruled by the king, but here the kinglet, you should have to learn like this. Kinglet is the concept where we are using that word kinglet because he doesn't have any proper presentation of skills. He do not know how to take the decision while implementing the orders. He only follows and only he who always follows with the barrister bishops, and he always follow with the courtiers of this kingdom as such. Therefore, he doesn't know how to take the decision as such. He used the proverb as you can't build stone palaces with hard-earned money. Like this, he used and adopted that concept of proverb. In that manner, he is going to encourage with respect to the gambling business at the kingdom called Monaco. Here the gambling business, he is going to implement the poll tax in the way of whether you lose money or earn money, you must have to pay the tax. This was the concept. It has been orientation. But you can see here the German and the other peoples, they are going to forbid that what we call as a complete forbidden of gambling. But he rules the country with respect to this concept of gambling in the way of roulette. The roulette is the gaming house, the name of the gaming house where he is going to establish that. And later he becomes the monopolization of that particular gambling concept. His views and ways, his only reigns and breaks is nothing but he is going to rule the country with respect to the sovereign power and along with the money orientation. His earning potentiality, he only concentration on with respect to the earning potentiality. That is only the concept it revolves with those things. As you know that Monaco, it is on the border of the seashore called Mediterranean Sea, and on the other hand, it is in between France and Italy. It was a peaceable kingdom as and when it is only with a 7,000 people. Therefore, there is no problem until and unless a murder was taken place like this. One fine day, murder was committed there. And now the hitch again is that what is the hitch there exists? Hitch is nothing but there have some sort of the rules and regulation there is no, and on the other hand there is no planning of those things. The hitch is nothing but there is no guillotine machine and there is no executioner in that particular Thai kingdom. See, as and when as soon as the murder has committed, these jury members and ministers and barristers, they accumulated and they passed judgment that is called death sentence to that particular criminal. He refers to be a rascal. Once again, it has to be executed. The order has been passed. The order once again come to the prince or the kinglet, and he passed that, okay, you can choose your own way and execute him like that. But there is no guillotine and there is no executioner that execute his head kind. Here the death sentence is nothing but cut off his head. That was the criterion. But on the other hand, there is no machine of guillotine and executioner. This is the main hitch they possess like this. You know that Monaco, the kingdom, is in between France and Italy. France is the republican country and Italy is the brother of monarch is equal to king of Italy. This is the concept. He is going to send and referendum to these two kingdoms. First they sent to the France kingdom, and the charge of the guillotine machine and executioner is about 16,000 francs. That was the costly, and later the king is going to consider like this, it was too dear. Too dear is nothing but it is too expensive, he said. And later he came to learn that France is a republican, they are not supposed to give respect to the king. Therefore they send same memorandum and reference to the kingdom called Italy. Here we should know that king of Italy is the brother monarch. Therefore, he sent the referendum to that particular king country called Italy. Then the reply came with the cost of the executioner and guillotine machine that may comes around 12,000 francs. Therefore, people, that is once again jury members and the prince, he recognized to be that is also becomes too heavy. If you're going to bifurcate the toll tax, that is more or less equal to 2 francs per head. That is too costly, or he going to call as too expensive in the way of too dear. Then the second hitch come to the picture. They're going to reconsider once again. They're going to opt and ask the army member. The general of the army member, he said, I haven't taught how to kill the criminal. Then this minister interview with those general of the army person like that, why can't you cut that criminal head by this scenario? And he said like this, we can cut in the war, but we haven't taught how to kill or cut off the head of a criminal like this. Therefore, the second hitch also, it is not supposed to be in their favor. And later, they are going to consider, instead of life imprisonment too, they go into consider, instead of death sentences and that is a head cut off the thing, it has come to be another what we call as another statement with respect to the judgment, that is verdict has been passed in the way of we have to give the life imprisonment, dear students. Here the life imprisonment in the sense that they didn't notice before the act like this, the act has been passed, but on the other hand, there is no particular cellar in that particular kingdom or in the palace. Therefore, once again, they adopted and they created one more kingdom and one more cellar to him only, and later he is going to keep the prisoner in that prison. And later, the concept they're going to recruit one more guard is called, that is the guard. His duty is revolves with respect to taking food from the kitchen, and it has to be fed to this criminal. And as they reckon up, and once again what is the accountability, they're going to view after 2-3 months, and later came to learn that the cost of the guard, it is exceeds with respect to the 600 francs, and the total cost of his maintenance, that becomes above 600 francs like that. And later the concept is reversed. Once again, they call for the those jury members and bishops, once again they passed other thing, another order like that, another order in the sense we have to fix his annuity. annuity in the sense giving pension to that particular person as such. And once again, the guard has been recruited. On the other hand, the cost may be becomes too heavy, that may be about 600 francs. Therefore, they once again pass the order as such. They want to give the annuity to him. The cost of the annuity comes around 600 francs, out of which he recollect one third of the annuity, and later he is going to build his new career of life. That is, he purchased some land and he's going to do some market gardening, and he's going to use about 1 franc per day as he going to come once again to the same roulette, and he going to play a game. Sometimes he wins, sometimes he loses. Therefore, here you should have to learn the total concept revolves with the ironical manner. Ironical concept in the sense that you can came to learn as soon as the murder has committed. The murder is nothing but once again a criminal. He murdered another person. But on the other hand, this kingdom, they doesn't know how to take the action to murder him or to cut off his head. This is only the concept in the sense here the justice delayed and justice denied. It is the concept as such. Then when they do not know how to take the judgment is passed, there is no planning, there is no organizing, there is no staffing for the to whom should have to be allocate for that work and all. This is only with ironical concept it is come to the picture, as and when the king is kinglet, he rules the country is only with respect to the earning potentiality. He doesn't want any expenses. For that, even ordinary person, he going to stay and he's boom his life in the extraordinary manner. This is how the concept revolves, dear young learners.